Are you looking for a laptop with an ultra-wide screen, powerful performance, long battery life, and especially an extremely reasonable price? Today I will introduce to you the HP 17.3-inch HD plus narrow bezel student laptop, a great choice for studying, working, and entertaining. This laptop comes from HP, a brand famous for its durability and sophisticated design. It has a 17.3-inch HD plus screen with thin bezels, making the display space more spacious, extremely ideal for online learning, multitasking, or watching movies. In terms of performance, HP is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, with superior performance compared to the Intel Core i3-1215U, helping you run smoothly from office tasks, online learning to multimedia entertainment. Comes with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, much faster than DDR4, and 1TB NVMe SSD hard drive for almost instant boot up and application opening. Outstanding features: full-size keyboard with numeric keypad, convenient for data entry, accounting, statistics. Long battery life, enough for a whole day of studying or working. High-speed Wi-Fi connection ensures smooth online learning, Zoom meetings. Integrated webcam, serving online learning and meetings. Fast charging technology saves charging waiting time. Free BWE accessories increase value when buying. If you are a student, office worker, or simply want a laptop with a large screen, stable performance, and huge storage, then the HP 17.3-inch HD plus narrow bezel student laptop is definitely an option not to be missed. If you find this laptop suitable, please leave a comment or see the purchase link I put below the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to receive more latest technology reviews.